The VVX 400 and 410 are color mid-range business media phones for today's office workers and call attendants, delivering crystal clear communications. The phones come standard with a 12-button keypad, home, speaker, mute, volume, and headset buttons. The 410 model also includes a gigabit Ethernet port for high-performance single wire to the desktop functionality. Legendary Polycom HD voice technology provides up to 7 kHz audio on all speech paths for crystal clear clarity. They are also simple to deploy and easy to administer, upgrade, and maintain with Polycom's exclusive zero-touch provisioning. To make a call, select the Home button. To view all recent calls and scroll up and down, select Recent Calls. To view contacts, recent calls, and directories, select Directories. Using the navigational arrows will enable navigation and moving around the screens. The Back button will take you back to the previous screen. The Favorites menu gives you access to view favorites and scroll up and down. We can also adjust the configuration of the handset locally under Settings, which gives us access to basic settings such as brightness, background image, and ring type. More advanced settings can be accessed locally, but can be secured with a password. Another way to view favorites is to press the Home button, and at the top left of the screen, select the extension number. Dial. VVX 400 series will support standard base SIP protocol up to 12 lines. These can be a mixture of audio lines. The VVX 400 also integrates with other collaboration products like Microsoft Exchange, so you can access your calendar or company contacts directly from your handset. Press the Home button to return to the home screen and select Calendar. Select the desired meeting and join the meeting. When the calendar entry opens, it gives you access to the meeting details. By selecting the soft key below the number, you can join this call directly from the VVX handset. Example of call being made from Calendar. Here are the steps of receiving an incoming call and forwarding this to another extension. When the VVX 400 is ringing, just simply tap on the answer key to receive the call on speaker, or pick up the handset and now place on hold and select forward. Here is an example of making an audio call on the VVX or just simply dialing another SIP device. On the home screen, press New Call. Enter the number you wish to call, followed by the green Dial button soft key. Quick access to your messages are as simple as pressing the Message button.